Looking for the perfect hardside carry-on luggage for your next trip? Whether it's a short getaway or a long vacation, the right suitcase can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best hardside carry-on luggage that combine durability, style, and smart features to make traveling stress-free. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the American Tourister Stratum Hardside Carry-On Luggage. The American Tourister Stratum 2.0 Hardside Carry-On Luggage is designed to make short trips easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Built for convenience, this carry-on is ideal for 1 to 3 day getaways, offering both functionality and style in a compact form. Its durable construction features a textured, shiny ABS shell with a modern barrel-shaped design, giving it a sleek yet sturdy look. The ergonomic carbon fiber texture trolley grip adjusts to suit your height, ensuring comfortable handling, while the wear and tear tested ball wheels provide smooth, stable rolling on a variety of surfaces. This combination allows travelers to move confidently through airports, train stations, or city streets with minimal effort. The Stratum 2.0 also pays attention to the little details that make a big difference. Large zipper pulls are designed for easy use, accommodating all types of hands, while the expandable design gives travelers that extra inch of packing space when needed. Inside, the max capacity layout is thoughtfully organized with a modesty pocket, mesh door pocket, and elastic tie tapes to keep belongings secure and neatly arranged throughout the journey. Practical and stylish, this carry-on offers a balance of durability and comfort, making it a reliable travel partner for quick business trips or weekend escapes. With its compact yet expandable design and smart storage features, the American Tourister Stratum 2.0 ensures every trip starts off stress-free and enjoyable. Coming in at number 4, we have the Delsey Paris Titanium Hardside Carry-On Luggage. The Delsey Paris Titanium Hardside Carry-On Luggage is designed for travelers who value durability, style, and functionality. Crafted from lightweight yet robust polycarbonate, the shell is engineered to resist cracking or breaking, while its matte finish helps guard against scratches, keeping it looking sleek through countless trips. Ease of movement is a key feature of this luggage, thanks to its 4 double spinner wheels. These ensure a stable base and smooth multi-directional rolling, removing the strain from your hand and making travel through busy airports or crowded streets effortless. For added security, the integrated 3-dial TSA-approved combination lock keeps belongings protected, while the expandable design allows an extra 2 inches of packing space when needed. Inside, the suitcase offers a thoughtfully designed, fully lined interior with 2 large compartments to keep clothing and essentials organized. Tie-down straps on one side secure garments and minimize wrinkles, while a zipper divider helps separate items to reduce shifting during transit. An additional zippered pocket provides storage for delicate items and accessories. The recessed one-button locking handle enhances maneuverability, making the suitcase easy to control even in tight spaces. While available in carry-on sizes, the 25-inch checked version is particularly suited for family vacations or extended business trips, offering ample space without sacrificing portability. With exterior dimensions of 27.25 by 18 by 11.75 inches, it provides a balance of capacity and convenience. Combining resilience, security, and organization, the Delsey Paris Titanium Hardside Luggage is built to meet the demands of modern travelers while maintaining a stylish and professional appearance. At number 3, the Traveler's Choice Hardside Carry-On Luggage. The Traveler's Choice Hardside Carry-On Luggage is designed for modern travelers who value strength, functionality, and convenience. Built with an indestructible polypropylene hardshell, this suitcase offers reliable protection against abrasions, scratches, and water, ensuring belongings stay secure and intact during every trip. For added flexibility, the expansion gusset provides up to 2 extra inches of packing space, making it easy to fit in last-minute items without compromising organization. Navigating airports and busy crowds is effortless thanks to the smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, which allow for seamless maneuverability in any direction. The multi-stage telescoping handle, equipped with a push-button mechanism, adapts to different heights, while the top and side rubber carry handles ensure comfortable lifting and carrying. Inside, the luggage features a large main compartment with multiple zippered pockets for structured organization. Durable self-mending 10 zippers enhance long-lasting use, while interior compression straps keep clothing neatly in place throughout the journey. Measuring 26.5 H by 16.5 W by 10.75 D with an additional 2 expansion, and offering an interior size of 23.5 H by 16.5 W by 10.5 D, the Traveler's Choice Hardside carry-on provides ample room for essentials without sacrificing portability. Designed with durability and practicality in mind, it is a dependable companion for both frequent flyers and occasional adventurers. In the second spot, we have the SwissGear 7366 Hardside carry-on luggage. The SwissGear 7366 Hardside carry-on luggage is built to deliver reliability, durability, and convenience for every traveler. Designed with practicality in mind, it offers ample packing space while maintaining a sleek and modern look. For those who need extra room, the expandable checked luggage option provides dimensions of 27.25 by 19 by 12.25 inches, giving you plenty of space to pack essentials for longer journeys. Measuring 30.75 by 20.5 by 12.25 inches overall, it ensures that everything you need fits securely inside without unnecessary bulk. Traveling through busy airports or maneuvering in tight spaces is made effortless with the 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels. This feature allows smooth rolling in any direction, reducing strain and making mobility simple, even when the suitcase is fully loaded. Durability is at the core of the SwissGear 7366. Constructed from strong ABS material, it withstands the demands of frequent travel while maintaining its shape and style. Retractable molded lift handles further enhance its functionality, making lifting and carrying more comfortable. SwissGear's commitment to quality is reflected in the 10-year extended warranty, offering peace of mind and ensuring that the luggage meets rigorous standards. This long-term protection highlights the brand's confidence in its craftsmanship and materials. Backed by over 125 years of Swiss innovation and design excellence, SwissGear has earned a reputation for creating travel products that balance style, practicality, and strength. The 7366 Hardside carry-on is a reflection of that legacy, often imitated but never equaled. Whether for business trips or extended vacations, this luggage is crafted to keep pace with your travel needs while offering durability and sophistication. And finally, at number 1, we have the Samsonite Freeform Hardside carry-on luggage Hardside. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside carry-on luggage is designed to combine durability, functionality, and modern style for today's traveler. Measuring 21 inches, this spinner luggage maximizes packing efficiency while staying within most domestic carry-on size restrictions. With packing dimensions of 19.5 by 14.5 by 10.0 and overall dimensions of 21.25 by 15.25 by 10.0, it provides ample space while maintaining a compact profile at just 6.5 pounds. Built with ultra-light yet ultra-strong shells, this luggage is engineered to withstand the challenges of frequent travel. Its 4 spinner wheels ensure smooth maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through airports, stations, and busy streets with minimal effort. A recessed TSA-approved combination lock enhances security, giving peace of mind whether traveling domestically or checking the bag for longer journeys. Additionally, the expandable design offers added packing capacity, allowing travelers to adjust to their needs. What sets the Freeform apart is its forward-thinking design. With a sleek, futuristic look and a distinctive shape, it embodies a progressive approach to luggage. Samsonite has crafted this piece not only for performance, but also for style, appealing to travelers who value both reliability and aesthetics. The Freeform's blend of lightweight construction, durable materials, and innovative features makes it a versatile travel companion for modern lifestyles, ensuring that every trip is efficient, secure, and stylish.